You've heard of Bushwacker's classic Fender flares, but now they've come out with something even hotter. The forged Fender flares keep that original Bushwacker style with an added black textured finish for the ultimate off-road appearance. These flares are equipped with all-black hardware to make that unrefined bolt-on design really stand out. Unlike Bushwacker's original Fender flares, the forged Fender flares come with a rugged, textured finish. The forged Fender flares are made with a durable ABS material, which means they are built to withstand whatever the road throws your way. This dense material is scratch-resistant and flexible to keep up with your vehicle on or off-road. Additionally, these flares are also 100% UV resistant, keeping them shielded from fade and chalking or other damage caused by the sun. So if you like sticking with a classic product that holds to its name but are looking for that added rugged style and protection, Bushwacker's forged Fender flares are designed for you. Take to the road and trails with confidence, knowing your tires are covered and will deflect dirt and debris away from your vehicle. This product comes with all black hardware necessary for installation with no drilling required. It's all right in the box and ready to go. If you are interested in purchasing the forged Fender flares by Bushwacker or looking to have them installed, check out the dealer locator below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.